Hi all, today I am here to share my experience after completion of Appian training with SAFE. Firstly, as it is one-to-one training, he puts all the 1 hour with you, and so he will be covering the topic which you are not so confident on. He will make a route map on the topics accordingly which you are not so confident on. And also, after completion of training, I can say that I was not so confident to work in Appian, and I was not so confident on each and every object. I can say that after completion of training, I got confident in working in Appian and also each and every object in Appian. I can also say that he has, with his experience, he has given so many interview questions. I don't think so I would have covered that huge number with my own with my own learning. And also he took an extra time to give some scenario based interview questions on Appian. He also uh, there with me and told where I was lagging, and uh, and he will also take a mock interview which will be also helpful. And also he will be giving some prerequisites before starting Appian. I think no one will give that. And also he will be available after the sessions, so we can ask him what are our doubts, we can pin him. And also he will share some tips and tricks which will be really helpful. And also give he will explain how to answer an interview question. And all this, with this experience, he will give so many inputs which will be really helpful to prepare. Thank you so much, Safe, for the training.